If you're spending money on proxies and still getting blocked, you're not scaling, you're just burning budget. Let me show you how you can fix that.
IPCook is a proxy provider focused on one thing, giving you clean residential IPs at the pricing that actually makes sense when you scale. In this video, I'll break down IPCook's features, pricing, and real positioning so you can decide if IPCook is worth your money before you spend it. IPCook is a proxy provider offering residential, ISP, and data center proxies with a strong focus on scale, stability, and cost efficiency. Their primary product is residential proxies designed for scraping, automation, multiple account management, and geo based access. The platform is built to be simple, fast setup, minimal friction, and no unnecessary complexity. Let's start with the IP infrastructure. IPCook provides access to over 55 million ethically sourced residential IPs spread across more than 185 countries. This matters if you're scraping geo-specific web pages, avid verification, localized testing, or region-based automation. Because these are real residential IPs, they blend naturally into normal user traffic, reducing blocks and captchas. From a performance perspective, IPCook advertises response time under zero point 0.5 seconds, which is fast enough for high volume scraping and automation. They also claim 99.99% uptime, meaning fewer failed requests and more consistent workflows. In practical terms, less downtime, fewer retries, and higher success rates. One of the biggest reasons to use residential proxies is bypassing restrictions. IPCook residential proxies are designed to bypass blocks, captchas, and geolimits, especially on platforms that aggressively detect data center IPs. You also get sticky sessions up to 24 hours, which is critical for logins, cards, and long running sessions. Traffic never expires, so there's no pressure to consume bandwidth within a fixed billing cycle. If you work with a team or manage clients, IPCook allows you to make up to 10 free sub accounts so you can safely share access without sharing the main credentials. Each sub account can be used independently, which is ideal for agencies and distributed teams. Now let's talk about numbers because this is where IPCook really competes. IPCook's residential proxy pricing starts at $3.2 per gigabyte with a 1 GB plan, mainly designed for testing and validation. The next tier brings pricing down to $2.4 per gigabyte with 25 GB of traffic, suitable for consistent usage. Once you move into higher volume plans, the pricing drops significantly. The small enterprise plan offers 1000 GB of traffic at $0.8 per gigabyte, and for large scale users, the enterprise plan provides 10,000 GB of traffic priced at just $0.5 per gigabyte. The pricing structure clearly rewards scale. The more traffic you use, the lower your effective cost. Beyond residential proxies, IPCook also offers ISP proxies designed for ultra stable long term sessions with unlimited traffic. These are ideal for social media accounts, e commerce platform, and persistent logins. They also provide data center proxies, fast, scalable, and cost efficient, best suited for bulk scraping and high speed automation. IPCook makes sense if pricing efficiency is a top priority and you've got a plan to scale beyond small test workloads. It works well for solo builders who are validating ideas, agencies managing multiple clients, and teams running large scraping or automation pipelines. If you want clean IPs, global coverage, and predictable cost, IPCook fits that use case. I will first log into the IPCook dashboard. Here's how the dashboard looks like. On the top right, you can see the top up button, which is the best way to purchase proxies. First, you can top up your IPCook wallet with some funds, and then you can buy proxies accordingly. To fund your account, you have multiple payment processors. You can pay via credit card, cryptocurrency, Google Pay, Alipay, or local payments. Either one works for you. Just type amount and process payment. After funding, you will see the balance right here. And now we can go to buy proxies and start purchasing. On the top, you have three tabs. Which proxy type you want to buy? I will buy residential. Choose the plan, and then you can also click on start trial where you will be getting 100 MB of traffic to test, which is great. I think it is the cheapest trial ever. Just go for it. Choose balance to pay from and click on continue to pay. Once done, you will be able to create proxy list. For that, go to setup proxy and go to residential. Now is the time to set up the very obvious and common proxy configuration wizard. Choose the country, then state, protocol, HTTP or SOX5, then the rotation. You can choose random or sticky IP. We do not see any account in the dropdown right here because we do not have any sub account set up yet. Let's go ahead and create one real quick. Simply type the username, a password, allocate traffic from the main account. Since I took trial and I had zero point 0.1 GB of traffic, I can allocate that to this trial account. Type any remark and click on create. Now we go back again to the proxy setup. Choose the country, state, rotation, etc. once again, and now you can see we have the sub account in this drop down to choose. Once we choose, the username and password of that sub account is automatically shown here. The proxy list is not yet generated. We still need to choose how many endpoints we need, the proxy list format we need, and then we can click on generate to generate the proxy list. Once ready, we can go ahead and test these proxies. For testing, I'm going to use my favorite tool, proxygraphy.com. But before that, let me tell you that IPCook also give you quick API integration examples in several code languages so that your developer can quickly get his hands on it and integrate it in your SaaS software you're building. Now I will quickly sign in to the Proxygraphy dashboard. It is free and then click on test proxies. Now I can choose from simple or advanced test. Let's do both tests one by one. Quickly generating another fresh proxy list in IPCook, pasting here in Proxygraphy proxy tester tool, and now waiting for the results. You can see the proxy results are pretty solid. Let's do the advanced proxy test also to see risk score and anonymity level as well. So here are the results. And wow, these are really high quality proxies you can rely on. IPCook offers access to over 55 million ethically sourced residential IPs across 185 plus countries. You get a zero point 0.5 seconds response time, 99.99% uptime, sticky sessions up to 24 hours, traffic that never expires, and up to 10 free sub accounts. Pricing starts at just $3.2 per gigabyte and drops as low as $0.5 per gigabyte at scale. If you want to test IPCook yourself, I have added the link below. Start small, test performance, and scale only if it works for you.